Dear friends, today we are going to discuss about difference between CAN and CANFD. So before we going to discuss about difference between CAN and CANFD, we must know what is the need of CANFD. So first major reason is bandwidth. So the bandwidth requirement is keeps on increasing since automotive application has been increasing rapidly. And second reason is EC programming or flash programming, which is another area. The large size of binary files are required to be transferred over the in-vehicle network. So bitrate and payload is the limitation of CAN protocol. Say for example, for flashing large number of files and for communicating fastly in other system. So these are the limitations in CAN network. So in order to achieve this, so they were changed something in CAN format. So these limitations are solved in CANFD by changing some CAN format. Here you can see the major difference of classical CAN versus CANFD. Data rate has been increased up to 8 megabit per second and payload support 64 bytes of data field as compared to 8 bytes in CAN. So in order to achieve increased data rate and large payloads, they have made some changes in message format. The most important change in message format is we have control data and actual data. We can send it to different bitrate. Say for example, control data which can be sent by usually 500 kilobit per second and actual data which we can send maximum up to higher bitrate. And another improvement in CANFD is introduction of CRC. So CRC length is increased, so large number of frames can be taken into the account. Like I said before, you can see different bitrate for arbitration phase and for data phase. In arbitration phase, it might be up to 1 megabit per second, and for database, it up to 1 megabit per second or and higher. Here you can see the difference of classical CAN frame and CANFD frame. You can see some difference in RES, BRS bit and ESI and so on. So here is the major difference. So bandwidth would be up to 1 megabit per second and data rate is 8 byte, and in CANFD bandwidth would be up to 8 megabit per second and data rate 64 byte data. Frame structure. The CANFD differ from CAN frame by following the bit actually. FTF bit and BRS bit and ESA bit. These things we will see in future videos about in CANFD. Thanks for watching.